today? Usually Zippy is buzzing around this time for the story. Do you see Zippy? Let's go ahead and call Zippy. Let's say, Zippy, where are you? Zippy, where are you? There you are, Zippy. Are you ready for the story? Are you ready for the story today? Yeah! Awesome! Let's get right into it. Once upon a time, there was a man named Noah. And Noah loved God so much. He always tried to do the right thing. There were some other people on the land that were being really naughty. They did not want to do the right things, and this made God really, really sad. One day, God spoke to Noah and told him to build a really big boat. This boat is called an ark. God told Noah to bring his family on the boat as well as all the animals on the earth in pairs of 2. Can you show me 2 on your fingers? 1, 2. Yes, that was perfect. God told Noah to bring animals onto the boat in pairs of 2. Come and explore the animals that went on the ark with Noah. 1 dog, 2 dogs. The dogs go ruff, ruff. 1 cat, 2 cats. The cats go meow, meow. 1 cow, 2 cows. The cows go moo, moo. 1 pig, 2 pigs. The pigs go oink, oink. 1 chicken, 2 chickens. The chickens go cluck, cluck. 1 duck, 2 ducks. The ducks go quack, quack. 1 bee, 2 bees. The bees go buzz, buzz. Noah took all these animals into the ark, as well as many, many others. He also took his family into the ark. Once they all entered the ark, it began to rain and rain and rain for a really long time. 40 days and 40 nights it rained and rained and rained. One day, Noah saw the sun shining for the first time in a long time. He went into the ark and pulled out a bird from the ark called a dove. He released the dove into the land, and the dove came back with a tiny leaf. Noah knew that this meant that the earth was drying and the water started to subside and get low. After a few days, Noah released the same dove into the land again. This time, the dove did not come back. This meant that it was safe for them to exit the ark. Something spectacular happened after this. God sent us the rainbow. God sent Noah a rainbow to remind him of the promise that he would never flood the land with water ever, ever again. The end. Come, let's learn the rainbow song.
Rainbow, rainbow, God made the rainbow a promise to us to never flood the land again. Rainbow, rainbow, God made the rainbow a promise to us to never flood the land again. Rainbow, rainbow, God made the rainbow a promise to us to never flood the land again. Rainbow, rainbow, God made the rainbow a promise to us to never flood the land again.
did amazing today, little heart pal. Remember, God sent the rainbow to remind us that He will never flood the land with water ever again. Before you go today, let's say, thank you, God, for keeping us safe.
Thank you, God, for keeping us safe.
That's all for now. See you next time for some more fun. Bye!